Isabel.
And I'm James.
And we're very excited to share that Troost is finally done and we're finally moved in.
But it certainly was a bit more dramatic and more expensive than we planned. So we redid the floors, we painted inside and out, we scraped off the asbestos and smoothed out the ceilings. That was a lot of money. We redid the kitchen, some of the kitchen cabinets. We opened up the wall and put in an island. We redid the bathroom tile, which had lead in the tile, so we redid that. We added AC and
changed some lights.
Swapped out all the lights. Isabel chose the coolest lights, very mid-century.
We got Satsuma ready and we put it on the market, which means we staged it and we cleaned up the outside. It was a lot to clean up for James. We painted the front fence and the gate. Again, lots of cleanup and yard work. And we painted the jungle gym, which looks very cute and nice right now and almost brand new. For the inside, we painted the whole house white. Our bedroom, which is the smallest bedroom, was staged as a baby room. Thomas's bedroom, which is the largest bedroom, stayed as a boy room. And the Elizabeth's room, which has a bathroom, was the logical choice for a master bedroom. We also put wallpaper, which I wish we did before because it looks very cute in one of the bathrooms. What else did we do? We did the garage. We staged it as a studio apartment to increase its renting potential, while the storage where we kept all our furniture is staged as an office, all James's idea.
We started by accepting offers $75,000 over asking. But these overeager buyers couldn't meet the strict lending requirements set during these COVID times, and twice we fell out of escrow.
Yes.
Yeah, so third time we put it on the market. We get multiple offers for the third time, all over asking, and we ended up accepting an offer from one of the previous escrows who fell out, actually, because we knew how much they loved the home, and although it's a lower price, we also knew that they would be able to meet that requirement. So we're just patiently waiting now for it to close.
We didn't really like that house so much.
No, not by the end of it.
Almost like
I hated that house at the end. So small.
Yeah.
And, you know, if Thomas wanted to play with his train track in the living room, there was no room to do anything else. So.
And then if you wanted to take a walk down the street during a pandemic, that's all you can do. Yeah. There are no trees for like a mile to just stop in the shade during the scorching heat in California.
It's hot, there's no shade. It's hard to take care of kids in that house.
Anyway, so let's see how the sale goes. See you next time with updates about the sale of Satsuma.
Yes, in the meantime, follow us on stonefarmenterprises.com and on Instagram and Facebook. We'll see you soon.